Hi, I'm Robert with SwagDaddy, and this is the Gerber Dime Pocket Tool. First thing you'll notice is your bottle opener. Right next to the bottle opener, which I overlooked, you have tweezers. Let's go ahead and open this up. You'll see your pliers. These are spring-loaded. There are scissors right here. Let's go ahead and close this up. The scissors feel spring-loaded, but they're not. There's this little metal tab. Then you have a flathead screwdriver, a nail file, a straight edge blade, and some wire cutters. If you're looking for a multi-tool, don't forget to visit us on the web at swagdaddy.com.